open up your mouth just like you did. Say ah. Ah. There we go. There we go.
That was
There
great.
you go.
He licked his head. How dare you?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, like that, half his head. So when the fish comes after him, there you go.
Oh, he's mad.
Tell him who's boss.
I'm the boss.
You see the nose right there? Whoa! Jeez.
I told you. Okay, Grammy's turn.
Do it. He feels cute. He's like Charlie's tongue. Oh my god, do this one. Let me do this one.
Oh, hey.
I don't know.
Put him on.
You have to get closer.
I can't do it.
Waiting for this.
Honey, give it to him.
Hold it. Hold it. Sip. Sip Iggy.
Read, stop.
There he goes. Oh, one more time.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Good job, Bobo. Oh, yeah, hold on to it, man.
5% of the population has the balls to feed ostriches out of their hand.
He spit in my face.
When I take my cat to the beach. Tom, stand up. That's crazy. Oh, right behind my beautiful daughter is a Florida panther that wants to eat her and has been bounced.
Wait, listen.
He's like, this isn't funny anymore because they already got my number.